Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching. 5 diabetic-friendly desserts for a sweet indulgence. World Diabetes Day 2021. Diabetes shouldn't prevent us from enjoying our beloved sweets. Here we have 5 diabetic accommodating sweet plans that you can appreciate. Faultless. World Diabetes Day 2021. The affection for pastries is one that each foodie shares. At the point when the sugar longing for kicks in, there is no halting us till we haven't had a chomp of a sweet joy. We as a whole realize that for a diabetic, having treats can be dangerous, yet once in a while diabetics participate in this evil guilty pleasure. It is on the grounds that treats are totally delectable. Regardless of whether we are worried or we are feeling low, a sweet treat promptly elevates our state of mind and helps us to have an improved outlook. In any case, for a diabetic, practice control and monitor what they are eating. This World Diabetes Day, we have presented to you a portion of the exemplary sweets we know and love, and this multitude of pastries have a sans sugar bend. World Diabetes Day is every year celebrated on 14th November to expand the attention to individuals from one side of the planet to the other with regards to this infection. Diabetes has turned into a central issue around the world. As per International Diabetes Federation, 1 of every 10 individuals are experiencing this sickness. Know about this condition. 5 diabetic-friendly dessert recipes. 1 rabri. We don't need to abandon the delectable rabri. This formula utilizes oats and sugar substitutes to give a similar smooth sweet without agonizing over our well-being. 2 gajar ka halwa. Gajar ka halwa is our go-to dessert for uncommon events, particularly during winters, when carrots are in season. With few substitutes, we get a heavenly halwa that is diabetic accommodating. 3 Ferni. Ferni is one of the most well-known rice-based sweets in our food. This formula has 2 layers, one loaded up with pista and the other with rose quintessence. 4 Chocolate and coconut mousse. Sethies without sugar mousse is made of chocolate, coconut milk, and sugar substitute, making it taste precisely like bread kitchen style. Mousse. 5 Badam ki barfi shouldn't be denied of flavorful mithai. That is the reason we have this unique without sugar badam ki barfi formula to fulfill your mithai desires. 6 Chocolate brownie. Biting into a fudgy, gooey chocolate brownie seems like a fantasy. This fantasy is going to materialize with this sans sugar chocolate brownie formula. 7 Modak. Lord Ganesh's most loved mithai, Modak, shouldn't just be eaten during Ganesh Chaturthi. With this sans sugar Modak formula, you can partake in this sweet enjoyment anytime. Faultless. Evaluate these scrumptious diabetic accommodating treats and let us in on which one is your top choice in the remarks area underneath. Note, if you are a diabetic, kindly counsel a diabetologist before you add anything new to your eating routine and consistently practice balance alongside customary exercise.